Welcome back to Eating the African. My name is Nicholas. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and become part of this family. If you have been with us, thank you so much for being part of Eating the African way. This is our second video we are going to make because we have been here. We have been at this place. That was last year. I showed you that their chicken recipe, how they make it so tender, so delicious, and also they introduced themselves and then told you everything you want to know about these guys. So we are back here because they added something new we didn't have last time. So they added something new on their plate. So that this is what we have come back here to see and also to enjoy, and also you get to know what they have in store this time. I'm so excited. That's why I'm even out of words. But let us get into the dish. We're going to go through the recipe, how they make it, I know you already know the recipe, but also we are going to go back into the recipe and you see what new they have done in their recipe. Because the more you do something, the more you get into to master it. So I think this time they have mastered their recipe. So let us get into this dish as we share the recipe. Don't go anywhere. We are approaching the festive season and we do like outside catering or outside services, these kind of services. You can reach out to these guys. I'm going to give you all the information you need to know about these guys in the description box. I'm going to drop their numbers. They can come to your home. They can do any function you would want them to do, wedding, introduction, any kind of party, birthdays. These guys can do those services for you, just to prepare anything for you. We are going to go through the recipes slowly. We are going to go through each and every recipe they use. Let us get into this. Woohoo! Now, before we dive into our dish, you are going to be watching what they go through into their market. I didn't want to show all the people in that work area because most of them don't want to be seen in the camera. But I tried my best to hide myself somewhere. I show you what really happens in this place. I had to change my setup because the chair I used was so high and I wanted to be close to the food so that you can also see what is happening. But last year our order was chicken and chips. This time it is pilau chicken. Yeah, you have done so much this time. So I think this food is has a lot of variety now. There's avocado, we have chapati, we have kachumbari, also we have greens. Also chicken into, I think this is called, to them they will call it pilau, chicken pilau, but it's not chicken pilau because it was mixed after everything was cooked separately. I think this is an easy recipe you can learn to make, not this one, but what they make at that place where they mix in all the ingredients. They deep fry the chicken. They add in they cut it into small pieces which can be chewable, and they add in the tomatoes, the onions, the green pepper, the cabbage. At the end they make something whichever one wants to eat. The Sinach in Uganda. So as you're watching this video, I hope you're seeing what is on the table. You can order for something like this, which is branded with the African way taste. You see the logo, and everything inside is actually African way. We are into working hours. Things are rushing. Hope I'm not getting that music so much into this video, because sometimes you can get copyright, and then it wasn't your intention to get all those surrounding music. This is what I'm talking about. They have added something new on their plate. We're talking about avocado. I think I should. There's also kachumbari, which was not added on last time, because last time everything was cooked together, was fried together to come up with their favorite chicken on this street. And also greens.
In Sudan, we have kisra, el marara, and fittings.
You know what puts joy on my face is doing what I do best is eating. Oh. If you're watching this video, you can come and join me right now, because I have enough food on this plate and I cannot finish it alone. Even the cameraman cannot finish it alone, but I'm going to do my best. You know, those days when they used to say chicken is not supposed to be eaten by ladies, or the eggs, I think those men were greedy, and even children are not supposed to eat these, because they are cooked for only the men in the house, the old people. But when you grow up, nothing's going to stop you from enjoying what you love. I think I need to drink some water. By the way, we are open for collabos, we are open for adverts. Because you want to advertise with us, I always post my email in the description box. Also, my WhatsApp number is the same number you can call and talk to us. We are always 24 hours, we are active. And in my culture, you're supposed to use one hand when you're eating. So if you see me using two hands, just know those are bad manners. Let me call the person who prepared this to tell us something, tell us more information about how you can place orders, where you can find them, which services they offer. So don't go anywhere. The guy is on his way here. Please wait. This is the guy behind this. Please introduce yourself. Tell people where you're located. All the services you can offer to your clients.
Thanks a lot, and thanks again. You are welcome, our dear customers. I'm very happy to see you again.
Yeah, we were here last year, and you got so many customers from the channel.
Yeah.
How was the experience? Tell me. Did you get enough orders?
Yeah, I got enough orders, but not too many, but some.
Yes.
Yeah. And
So
I worked on them very well, and make a nice chicken.
Yeah, where are you located? Please tell people your name and where you located and all the services you offer.
So my name's called Ayub Africa. We are located in Wandegeya behind Total, and we are on Market South Wing. We make chicken and chips. We make even on parties, birthday parties, graduations. But now in this December we're having an offer.
This December. So I should come back.
Yeah, you should come back. We're having an offer. So I want all of you to come.
Which services do you offer? In case someone wants to hire you.
We are having, if you want to hire me, you hire me, I come with my machine and my chicken, you pay, you buy the chickens, and then I come, I make I work on your orders, and then we supply you, and then we come back to our workplace.
Yeah, if you want to make orders and you want them to come to your place or to any function, they are going to come to your function. You don't need to come to them. Just place your orders and then they will come to you. All right, thank you so much, Sevo.
You're welcome.
So you're going to find more information in the description box if you want to know about these guys again, because we did this video last year, and also with that video still on the channel, you can still check that video out and also check this out and see what they have done this time, something new on their plate. Catch up later in next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Wait for you again next time.
Yes.